The ultimate guide to hybrid RV camping. A beginner's guide to choosing the perfect hybrid RV for you. RV camping offers a unique way to explore the great outdoors while enjoying the comforts of home. And if you're looking for the perfect balance between convenience and flexibility, a hybrid RV might just be the ideal choice for your next adventure. A hybrid RV combines the best of both worlds, the compactness and maneuverability of a traditional travel trailer with the expandability and spaciousness of a pop-up camper. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a beginner, this ultimate guide will walk you through the key considerations and help you choose the perfect hybrid RV for your outdoor adventures. 1. Determine your camping needs and preferences. Before diving into the world of hybrid RVs, it's essential to identify your specific camping needs and preferences. Consider factors such as the number of people traveling with you, the duration of your trips, the destinations you plan to visit, and the amenities you desire. This self-assessment will provide a solid foundation for selecting the right hybrid RV that caters to your unique requirements. 2. Research different hybrid RV models. Hybrid RVs come in various sizes, designs, and configurations. Take the time to research and familiarize yourself with the different models available on the market. Look for features such as expandable sleeping areas, kitchen facilities, bathroom amenities, storage options, and towing capacities. Make a list of must-have features and prioritize them based on your camping needs. 3. Consider the size and weight of the hybrid RV. Size and weight play a crucial role in determining the type of hybrid RV that suits your camping style. Assess your towing capacity and ensure that the hybrid RV you choose falls within the limits of your vehicle. Additionally, consider the dimensions of the RV when it's expanded and folded down to ensure it fits comfortably in your storage space and campsites. 4. Evaluate the sleeping and living arrangements. One of the primary advantages of hybrid RVs is their expandable sleeping areas. These sections typically feature fold-out beds that provide ample space for a comfortable night's sleep. Consider the number of beds required to accommodate your family or travel companions. Additionally, assess the living area, dining space, and kitchen facilities to ensure they meet your needs for relaxation, cooking, and socializing. 5. Assess the amenities and features. Hybrid RVs offer a range of amenities to enhance your camping experience. Evaluate the kitchen facilities, including the cooking appliances, refrigerator, and storage space. Consider the bathroom amenities, such as a toilet, shower, and sink. Assess the heating and cooling systems, electrical capabilities, and entertainment options available. Don't forget to prioritize the amenities that are essential for your comfort and enjoyment during your camping trips. 6. Examine the build quality and durability. The build quality and durability of the hybrid RV are essential factors to consider when making your selection. Look for RV manufacturers with a solid reputation for crafting high-quality, durable units. Read customer reviews and testimonials to gauge the experiences of other RV owners with the brand and model you're considering. A well-built hybrid RV will withstand the rigors of camping and offer years of reliable performance. 7. Set a budget. As with any significant purchase, it's crucial to establish a budget for your hybrid RV. Determine how much you're willing to invest in your camping adventure and stick to your budget. Keep in mind that additional costs may arise, such as insurance, maintenance, campground fees, and equipment purchases. Factor in these expenses when setting your budget to ensure a realistic and enjoyable camping experience. 8. Visit dealerships and attend RV shows. Once you have a short list of hybrid RV models that align with your preferences, visit local RV dealerships to get a closer look at the units. Take the time to inspect the build quality, explore the interior features, and visualize yourself in the RV. Attending RV shows or expos is another excellent way to see a wide variety of hybrid RVs in one place and get expert advice from industry professionals. 9. Consider pre-owned options. If buying a brand new hybrid RV stretches your budget, consider exploring pre-owned options. Well-maintained pre-owned hybrid RVs can offer great value for money and provide an entry point into the world of RV camping. Conduct thorough inspections, request maintenance records, and take a test drive before making a purchase. Consulting with a reputable RV mechanic can also provide additional peace of mind when buying a pre-owned unit. 10. Educate yourself on RV maintenance and safety. Owning an RV comes with responsibilities, including regular maintenance and adherence to safety guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the maintenance requirements of your hybrid RV, such as winterization, routine inspections, and necessary repairs. Understand the towing and hitching procedures, if applicable, and learn about RV safety measures, such as proper weight distribution and tire maintenance. 11. Plan your first trip. Once you've chosen the perfect hybrid RV, it's time to plan your first adventure. Research RV-friendly campgrounds, map out your route, and create a checklist of essential items to pack. Consider starting with shorter trips to get acclimated to the RV lifestyle and gradually build up to more extended journeys. Embrace the sense of adventure and freedom that hybrid RV camping offers, and get ready to create unforgettable memories on the open road. Choosing the perfect hybrid RV for your next adventure requires thoughtful consideration of your camping needs, preferences, and budget. By researching different models, evaluating amenities, and assessing the size and weight, you'll be able to find an RV that perfectly suits your camping style. Remember to take your time, visit dealerships, and test drive the units before making a decision. With the right hybrid RV in hand, you'll be well equipped to embark on thrilling outdoor adventures and create lifelong memories with your loved ones. Camping is our happy place.